Welcome back. This is the second video of section 9.4. So our first problem is to find the equation of the line with a given slope and y-intercept. So we need to write y equals mx plus b. M is my slope and b is my y-intercept. So let me see, what do I have? Well, I certainly have a slope. That's good. So I can get started. Y is equal to 1/4 times x. All right, what about the intercept? 0, 3/8. Oh, that's 0, b. Got it. So that's plus 3/8. Done. How did you do? And finally, for our cheese problem. So counting calories. According to a 1989 National Academy of Sciences report, the recommended daily intake of calories for males between the ages of 7 and 15, that's very specific, can be calculated by the following equation. Y is equal to 125x plus 1125, where x, this is important, x represents the boy's age and y represents the recommended calorie intake. Three questions here. So for the first one, let's see, what is the recommended calorie intake for a 14-year-old boy? Well, what do I have? Well, I have the boy's age. Oh, so that's good. That's x. So x is equal to 14. And what do I need? The recommended calorie intake. What is that? Oh, that's y. Oh, I see. So I need y. I have x and I need y. And I have an equation. This is excellent. So all I need is to be able to solve for y given our x. Okay. So I'm going to take y is equal to 125 multiplied by the 14 years of age that I have been given. And I'm going to add 1,125. Let's see, what do I get? So that gives me 1,750 plus 1,125, which is 2,875 calories. What about B? For B, we are being asked, what is the age of a boy whose recommended calorie intake is 2,375? Once again, I'm going to take full advantage of their definitions of X and Y for the boy's age and recommended calorie intake. So let's see. I'm being given the recommended calorie intake. Oh, so that must be Y. That's good. So I have Y. And what do I need? Oh, I need X, the boy's age. Got it. So I have an equation. I have a Y. I should solve for X. That's a good idea. So what I've done is I've substituted Y into the equation. So now I have 2,375 is equal to 125X plus 1,125. Let me see. Yes, I should add negative 1,125 to both sides. So that should leave me on the left-hand side with 1,250. And the right-hand side, I have 125x. Yes, divide both sides by 125. And that will give me just an x on the right-hand side. And the left-hand side gives me, oh, just a 10. Oh, I see. So this is a 10-year-old boy. Got it. Now what about this C? It says interpret the slope of y equals 125x plus 1,125 in terms of the rate of change. So what do I know? Well, I know that slope is my rise over run. I also know that if I have y equals mx plus b, my m is definitely my slope. So what is the slope here? 125. Yes, but I need to write it as a rise over run. So I have 125 divided by 1. Now let me think here. Rise. Which one of those is the rise? Oh, that must be the y. That's the vertical distance. So that is the recommended calorie intake. And what about the run? Well, that must be the X. Ah, that must be the boy's age in years. So the slope in this scenario must mean an increase of 125 calories per year.